Maris, ito lang naman yung akin, no? Imagine, 51 years old ka yan. Ano yun, paghihintayin mo pa ng 10 taon? Di pag kinasal kayo, may 20% discount na yan. Loko ka ba? Kung hindi mo naman pala pakakasalan, wala ka naman palang balak pakasalan, sana di mo na ginawa. Sinaktan mo lang eh. Gara mo. Ito, gigimik na ako. Bye-bye.
I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I'll stay here for you. Take you to the good times, see you through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I